Hello, dear friends. Hello, dear students. I am your computer teacher and I am going to teach you MS Excel. What is MS Excel and the introduction of this screen, how this looks like, and what are the things here, and how to do the sum total, how to find the minimum, how to find the maximum, how to find the average, and so many things. In this video I will give you the explanation, so please be with me. Now, okay, I just want to see the spreadsheet is clear. Yes, this is clear. Now see, this is a spreadsheet of MS Excel. You can see here, this is X point, this is called Excel symbol, and this is file. You can see here, if I am clicking on this corner where row and column get crossed, okay, this is the point here. If I am clicking for single time, then it got selected, the whole spreadsheet got selected. Now these are the row numbers, okay, that's why they are denoted by numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6, because row are counted in numbers. And this is the column heading A B C D E F G H I J K. Okay, these are the column headings. If I am clicking on a column heading, then complete column gets selected. Now come to the table. Okay, now here you can see that it is a spreadsheet. Here I am clicking on the combination of row and column. There row and column get crossed, and here column and here row. Now it is clear to all of you. Now come to the table. This is table beta. Okay, you can see here, this is the table, and on this table we will do all the functions. Now come to the next topic, total. This is total. I am going to select the heading of total and go to the data, and then go to subtotal and select sum to find the subtotal. Okay, now you can see that here is subtotal 599, and why these single rows are got inserted in this, I will show the reason behind this. Okay, now come to the drawing, come to the total, and we will find the maximum, the student who got the maximum marks. Then go to data, go to subtotal and find the maximum marks, and you will be able to see the maximum. Okay, now who got the maximum marks? You can see here 67. 67 is the maximum marks, and you can see that Rina got 67 marks in this table. Now come to next function. Select some other column, okay, and then go to data, and then we can find the minimum also. Minimum, then what is the minimum? You can see here minimum is 7 marks and 8 9. Okay, so 8 is the maximum, 9 is the maximum marks. So now come to next function. In English we can see that we can do all the operation in all the columns. So come to subtotal and find the average, and then OK, and you will see the average 6.6 is the average of the subject English. Now I am going back because I just want to show the fresh functions. That's why I am going to back. I am doing all the sums back. Now we are count. Okay, we have to count how many numbers are there, how many uh, then 10. You can see here 10 students are there, 10 roll number is there. So the count function work as 10, give the 10 result. So this is the function, these are the function we can do the sorry students, we can do on our MS Excel sheet, and it is very much helpful for all the office works. If we want to do the office work, then we have to understand the function. There are lots of functions, there are lots of facilities in MS Excel. I will teach you one by one. Okay, for today it was for subtotal, minimum, maximum, average and count. Now we will meet in next video. Till then, पढ़ते रहो, बढ़ते रहो. Okay, thank you students.